100% cold pressed unrefined. All natural with absolutely no chemicals or additives included to ensure that the neem oil retains its original composition. Cosmetic grade. The oil is high in antioxidant compounds that soothe the skin. Organic gardening uses. Used in organic gardening to keep plants looking healthy. Mix with lotions or shampoos. Antioxidants, vitamins and essential fatty acids provide nourishment for hair, nails and skin. Satisfaction guaranteed. If you aren't fully satisfied with our neem oil, contact us and we will issue a full refund, no questions asked. What is neem oil? Not all neem oil is created equal. Neem oil is a type of vegetable oil extracted from the fruits and seeds of the neem tree, Azadirachtaindica, a fast-growing evergreen tree that is native to the Indian subcontinent. With a large variety of different uses, neem oil is an extremely versatile substance that carries beneficial medicinal, cosmetic and gardening uses. So when we say our neem oil is 100% cold pressed, what does this mean and why does it matter? Neem oil products on the market nearly always fall within one of three categories. 1. Clarified hydrophobic extract of neem oil. 2. Azadirachtin extract neem oil. 3.100% pure cold pressed neem oil. The first two categories listed above are extracts, hydrophobic and azadirachtin. These extracts are produced when neem oil has been processed. The disadvantage of processing is that the neem oil will lose many of its valuable biochemical compounds in the process. Harris neem oil is 100% cold pressed and retains all of the essential nutrients contained in the original neem seed. It's more expensive, but it's worth it. Top reviews from the United States. Kills spider mites fast. Took care of pesky spider mites fast. The oil is super thick, but if you follow the dilution instructions and put it in a spray bottle, it works quite well.